All right, welcome back YouTube to Killing Time. Got the Oklahoma Joe smoker modifications finished. Got it all painted up. And the spot where the old handle was, I just made a little digital thermometer holder because my Inkbird thermometer is magnetic. So that worked out pretty good. Put a couple probe grommets in. And I ended up adding these latches to the top because my lid from the factory had a large bow to it with some serious gaps. So I gasketed it and then put the latches on, and I put the latches up that high because that's where my bulge was. And when I did that, it sealed the door up great. I did a burn in it last night to try it out, and had absolutely no smoke leakage from the lid. Every bit of smoke from this thing was going out the stack. So we ended up putting a baffle on the stack here. So I'm able to control temperatures that way. This thing is a beast as far as drawing air. I mean, I literally, when I burned it the other night, door was closed and my intake was only open that much. And I was holding 250 degrees I did it for almost 3 hours. So I had a couple temperature spikes, but it was extremely windy yesterday. So that, a couple times it spiked up to about 280 on me. And I just left it. And within a few minutes, it came back down. So I'm thinking it was probably the wind causing the spike. And then it leveled back off at, about 255. So I was able to maintain a decent temperature and with very, very little intake open. So, I mean, if I want to get this thing cranking, when I first fired it up, man, I took it right up to 450. And I had my intake open about halfway, and she shot right up to 450. So yeah, it turned out good. It seems to be working great. And in my first video I said, by the time I'm done with my mods, I'm probably going to be around $600. I wasn't even close to that. With even purchasing the Inkbird digital thermometer, the latches, the steel, I come in at this thing, I'm right around $460 total, and that's with purchasing the smoker itself. So yeah, I think I'm going to be real happy with this. So I said I'd post a video when it was done. It is done, and I've already got one burn in it, and it responded great. Very controllable, and it responds quick. So if when I was at 250, I just bumped that intake open just a little bit, and man, within probably 3 minutes, it went from 250 up to 275. So I mean, it responds quick with this stack on it. It just makes the response time phenomenal, and my temperatures were awesome. It's like this gauge by the firebox side was reading just a hair above 250. This one by the stack side was right on 250. And then my digital probe was running at great level, firebox side. I was running 251. And stack side, I was running 249. So I was within 2 degrees across the grate, and I was almost dead on with what the gauges were telling me up at the lid. So that whole smoke chamber just maintains an even constant temperature. It's not like it's hot up high and then down at grate level I'm 20 degrees cooler. It's not doing that. It's maintaining a temperature through the whole smoke chamber. So I'm thinking this the smoke collector here has something to do with that. So, and I'm not running any lava lock, you know, baffle plates or anything. There's nothing in there. It's all open. Try to show you here. Right there, no baffles. It's wide open. So, yeah, I mean, I am very happy with it. So, I think this coming weekend, I think I'm going to try to do a pork belly in it, and that's going to be my first smoke. So I am using B&B lump coal and hardwood lump coal, and I don't have a charcoal basket for it yet, but I think I'm going to build one because I've got some expanded metal here. So I think I'm just going to build a 12 by 12 by, you know, probably 7 inches tall. And do a charcoal basket. That way I can load that thing up with charcoal and then put my wood on top and just maintain those temperatures for, you know, 4 or 5 hours if I need to. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. And next time I run it, I'll do a video of it running and show you how consistent the temperatures are. All right, thanks for tuning in.